All right, guys, it's been a while since we've done an update here at Darlington Avenue. Let me just take you through and show you what's been going on. So as you can see, as you enter the main door into our lobby, walls are complete throughout the building. I'll take you to the back side of the building first. When you first come to the left here, there's two little hallways. This first little corridor takes you into our bathrooms. Men's bathroom there, ladies' restroom here. And all throughout these restrooms, the plumbing is installed and has the rough-in inspection complete. You'll also notice as we come through here into this second little hallway, this is an area where there will be water fountains. And all throughout the building, electrical is nearly finished as well. To the right would be our kitchen. So if you've walked through this building before there were walls, you maybe didn't have an easy way of seeing all this, but here it is. Take you into this way. We're back into our kids area. So this larger room right here is going to be what we've been calling the common area. It's a small fellowship hall. It's a big space for doing whatever we need to do. There's a large classroom here with these two doors. Take you back down into a back hallway where we've got a few rooms. This will be the nursery. And probably want to get that cleaned up before we put the babies in here, right? And then on this side will be a preschool area, complete with their own bathroom here and a good sized closet over here. So that's the back of the room. A lot of work done. We have HVAC fully installed, at least the rough end part. And of course, many months ago, a brand new roof. Moving to the front of the building, you see that we've got the office is all built in. Electrical stuff everywhere. We have repaired all of the original windows, and so these windows are all functional and closable and lockable now, which was a big step for us. And that was done by volunteers as well. If you come in here, you can actually see the auditorium has taken shape. So stage is built. That room over there is a green room for our band to use and have equipment and stuff stored there. The beginnings of the sound booth were built this past week, and there will be walls up on the side of that. We had to get part of that done for the electricians. We'll probably finish that this week. And then a lot of work has been done outside as well. And so while I walk, let me just take a second to just thank all the volunteers who have been coming out here the last few weeks on Saturdays and Tuesdays. We had a friend from Wilson, North Carolina. My father-in-law and his neighbor came down, and they did a bunch of work out here with the tractor. But to get a French drain dug here, but check this out. If you've seen this space before, you know that it was a hot mess. There was a fence all the way down here. It was just full of bushes and all kinds of debris. But we have got this flower bed installed now with the French drain underneath. There, can't even see it anymore. A ton of dirt was moved here, probably literally by volunteers with wheelbarrows and shovels to kind of grade this up to the higher ground there. And then you can see that this area back here has been cleared. There's our fill dirt that we dug up off the wall and have put back there to use in the yard and wherever. This was the rear of the building that was started way back in, I think, July. And so it ties in with this flower bed now, so that there's now no dirt up against the building, which was a problem for the previous owners. And we have this retention wall set up basically to keep the dirt from eroding back to the building. So lots of great things happening here at Darlington. We are getting closer to getting into the building. Really excited about it. But that's just kind of an update on a lot of things that have happened.